let's see what it looks like when we use a builder or an application like Word to build a page and all the code that it puts in versus just a clean editor like we've been using Crimson. So what I'll do is I've typed in, this is just one line. That's all I'm going to put there. And I'm saving it as editor test.htm. Okay, so it'll show up as a web page. Okay, I can close this one. And I can look at my Crimson editor. Now notice I've got everything involved, and this is just one line. Now when I look at it through the browser, brings it up, and that's what it looks like. This is just one line. Now let's look at, again, I can right click, view page source, and that's all the code it took. 9 lines, and I actually didn't need all 9. Okay, now let's go look at where I saved my editor test. Okay, and I'm going to open it with Chrome. Now notice, this is just one line. That's all it says. And it's in a browser. Now let's see how much this has. Oh my goodness. It took 9 lines. Now let's go and look and see how many lines it took just for that one little line of code. 750 lines to display one line of code. So as you can see, editors are very clean. Builders are not as bad as Word has put this out, all this information. So I'm not saying builders are all this bad. In fact, very few would put this much. This is actually the applications. Some of the builders only put 4 or 5 lines. However, make sure when you're using a builder, what is it going to add that you don't know about? Just to do the same thing in each file. Continue on.